This is the brand that I will be using by Adore, guys. I'm going to be taking my wide pick comb and combing my hair all the way around evenly. This is just to make sure that the dye does take well to my hair. Guys, I have never dyed my hair purple before. As you see in my previous video, I did decide to dye my hair lavender, but usually when I'm looking for dye, I try to look for more darker colors than lighter colors. So I said, let's give this a try. This is actually a very pretty purple. I'm so surprised that I chose purple. This purple is not my favorite color at all. I dislike purple so much. So for me to dye my hair any type of purple, whether it's eggplant purple or light purple or whatever, me even looking at purple, I am so surprised because I do not like the color purple. It's not one of my favorite colors. So guys, now I'm going to be taking my comb again and I'm going to comb through my entire head again because I do want to make sure that, like I said before, it is all evenly. I do not want to have to dye my hair again. So just make sure you comb it out to make sure that it is taken very well. Now it's time for me to put a plastic bag over it, guys. I'm using a plastic bag. You can use whatever you like, but this is what I use. I'm going to be letting this sit for exactly 15 to 20 minutes. And after it's done, I will come back with the final results and show you guys. I'm back, guys, and this is how my hair turned out. I am loving it. It looks amazing. I would have never thought dyeing my hair purple it would look this good on my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed again and make sure you like this video. And until next time, guys, like I always say, I will see you guys in my next video.